Stop letting your Samsung phone die while you are literally doing nothing. If you are losing 10 to 15% of your charge overnight, you are wasting your battery's long-term health. I'm going to show you a hidden routine automation that cuts standby drain to near zero. We are going to triple your sleeping battery life right now. Most of that overnight drain comes from your phone constantly searching for 5G signals and syncing data while you are asleep. You don't need your phone running at 100% power when your eyes are closed. Here is how we fix it using modes and routines. Step 1. Open your settings and tap on modes and routines. Now tap routines at the bottom of the screen. Hit the plus icon at the top right to create a new one. Under if, we're going to select time period. Tap search, type time period and select time period. Set this to your typical sleep schedule. Let's say 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. Make sure it's set to repeat every day. Step 2. Now under then, this is where the magic happens. Tap at what this routine will do. First, search for connections and tap connections. Now tap network mode to 3G. 5G is a battery hog and you don't need it while you sleep. Next, add another action. Search for power saving and turn it on. Finally, add one more action. Search for always on display and set it to off. Step 3. For the ultimate drain protection, add one more action. Sync. Search for sync. Now tap auto sync and set auto sync data to off. This prevents apps from waking up your processor every few minutes to check for emails or updates that can wait until morning. Don't worry, as soon as the routine ends at 7 a.m., everything turns back on automatically. Name this routine Deep Sleep and save it. By doing this, you are not just saving a few percentage points. You are reducing the heat and cycle count on your battery, which means your Samsung will last years longer. Try this for one night and I bet you'll only see a 1 or 2% drop. If your Samsung still have battery drains problems, you need to check out my other video about One UI 8.5, fix your battery life in minutes. Drop a comment if your battery improved. Don't forget to subscribe to Lifehacks Hacks for more ways to master your tech. See you tomorrow.